Okay, we're gonna just try this like this. Okay, but pretty much, I just want to come on here and make a video really quickly. Because I'm about to get my period. Well, I'm already bleeding, but it's not heavy, it's light. So I bought this from Target. I don't know if you guys can see it. Ooh, boom, bomb. This is what it is. Fucking sunlight. So this is what it is. It's backwards. Pretty much it's a cup. I have another one. Oops. Alright, I have both sizes. This is the regular size, I think. This is the regular size, and this is the small size. This is what comes in this. I bought this last month, but I think the size was too small, so I had to constantly change it. I was super annoyed, and I feel like what I did last month wasn't genuine because I was annoyed. Sorry my hair looks like this. This is an unofficial impromptu review. It's real. But yeah, so this is this one. I guess I get to do an unboxing for you guys. Setting, anyways. This is how it comes. Where's my wallet? So it's available on Amazon. If you guys don't know what Target does, is Target price matches. It's $32.99 in Target. I refuse. Okay. So I went to Target and I got a price match to Amazon. Sorry, my nails are so ugly. But I paid $26.99, and I think they're not taxing tampons and shit like that. Don't quote me, not a professional. I don't fucking know. I'm out of breath because I'm eating junk food all day. But anyways, this is how it comes. Sorry, this is how it comes. This is the container. This is it right there. It's like see-through top. Twist it. I'm really rough. Break the seal. It comes sealed. This is how it comes. All cute. There's nothing in the top. I could do a size comparison for you guys. But pretty much you just squeeze it. It pops out. I'm going to just sit it right here. You know what? For dramatic effect. I'll put this one right here too. You could it's a huge size difference. But anyways, everything, there's like stuff in the bottom. I only know because I've obviously opened the pink one before. Okay, obviously I don't know. Anyways, there's the paper it comes with. It says Saalt cup. Oh, this is cute. It's actually two different set of instructions because the other one, it's literally like pink. Like, I think that's cute that they're not just throwing general ass instructions. Like, there's actually like varied instructions. Even though it's the same shit, but I think that's cool. Anyways, telling you how to pop in your vagina. This is, I guess they give back when you buy one for yourself. They give another one back, I'm assuming. Okay, so every time you buy a cup, it says we donate to herandperiod.org to put girls back in school and women back in work. So when their period starts, the world doesn't have to stop. Hold on. I'm trying to be more productive, so I'm setting alarms. But anyways, that's okay. So what else is this? More than a cup. I guess they give you like this other paper with some more stuff about the cost comparison, whatever. You get another bag. It's the blue bag, pink bag. They're the same size, but the darker pink one, obviously, oh, you guys can see it. Sorry, the sun's on the most right now, but the dark pink one, and then the cream one, and then that's it. That's all you get. Okay, but pretty much, like I said, I think my period just started. So the last time when it started, because it goes like light and then it gets like dumb heavy, but this is like a size comparison. All right, anyways, that's it. I guess, thumbnail. I don't know, what am I supposed to do as a thumbnail? Cup it up, bitch. Anyways, I'm out. I just wanted to come back and add that I haven't bought any tampons since I bought that pink cup. These are just tampons that I've always had because I've always had to buy an abundance of tampons because my period's a tricky bitch. But I have 2 Super Plus. These are besties. And then I have 2 regular. But this is it. I'm not buying any more tampons. Whatever me and the cup go through at this point, we go through. We family now because I ain't spending no more money on Kotex. I ain't spending no more money on Tampax, or I might still get Always because I be fucking with they pads to be. Them Always Infinities be coming through for the kid. You know what I'm talking about? But aside from that, this is it. I have a few more. I don't know where my vagina bag is. But I have like a few more regulars. I've never really used regulars because my period's always from 0 to 100. Like, these are for like. Anyways, that's it. I'm about to head to the gym because I've been eating junk food all day. I woke up, actually since yesterday, I don't know. I ate those last night. I was feeling some kind of way.